You want to be in the snow report? In the snow? 3, 2, 1. Hey, Mitt. Hey, Mitt. You want to be in the Snowcast? I'd say that's no. Mitt has the same attitude that the rest of us have regarding this winter. It was so good. It was so good for a few weeks back in Thanksgiving and the beginning of December. Mitt, come on. You're messing with the tripod here. We've got a stage set here. I would love to go on outdoors to do this, but it's still winding and raining. And believe it or not, it's sort of like a pseudo nor'easter. Nor'easters in late December are supposed to be snow. What happened to this one? Well, that huge storm in the middle of the nation has just been sitting there and spinning, pushed so much warmth up into eastern North America, along with El Nino factors and such, that even though the wind is from the north here in Boston, this is Hingham Bay, Boston Harbor, would be visible out there if not for the rain and fog. It's even rained on top of Mount Washington today. We have some contributors. Nevada Alba really from Pico this morning. And there's no snow. And she says, middle of winter, guys. Powder day. Yes. Right. Thank you, Nevada. Sure it is at Pico. Looks fairly crowd-free. We have that going for us. And also, Michael Chait, he is riding the lift at Sterling Lift at Smugglers today. And that's natural snow there on this vertical video. And he also goes by the Wyckoff family sugar farm, maple sugaring. Believe it or not, the sap is running this week and they're making maple sugar at the Wyckoff family farm. Sad state of affairs. Rewind a little bit. Remember about 3 weeks ago, I captured this image of Mount Washington. It had just snowed so much to go into the first half of December. We were rivaling December 2018 for the best skiing so early in the season. Well, it has reversed so much since then. Let's look at the snow chart by Matt Perla at the Mount Mansfield snow stake, high up above Mount Mansfield. Top, it's on the mountain. And anyhow, the snow depth now down yesterday to 23 inches and falling. So now we're rivaling 2011 into 12 as the worst late December snowpack on record. And this is now day 3 where it's been too warm to even make snow on the mountains. At least it hasn't been a major meltdown. Temperature in the mountains is in the 30s at least with the dense fog. And there's the gondola at Stowe today. Again, not too many people on Perry Merrill. And you get an idea if we go and look at J, the natural snow below the Metro chair. I think that one's called the Metro stateside, isn't it? The green grass there, but there is still some natural snow in the higher elevations. And are we going to replenish it? Well, this low pressure system going south of New England, still no cold right behind it. There's going to be yet another low going across. Here it is now on the high resolution short range models. Green is the rain leaving and showers for our Friday, changing to snow showers from the top down and from the northwest to the southeast, mostly late Friday into Friday night and Saturday as the colder air comes in. I think more importantly is that we're going to halt any melting that's going on and we're going to start building incrementally small the snowpack back up a little bit. As for snow amounts coming in this weekend to close out 2023 for our New Year's Eve weekend, looks like maybe the spine of the Green Mountains with some upslope and perhaps north of Mount Washington, we could get maybe 1 to 5 inches. That'd be optimistic. I did the J blog a couple of days ago. I said 5.3, but that would be sort of the higher end, I think, here. And then it's cold and it's dry for Monday, but it's not exceptionally cold. A week ago, it looked like this was going to be a big snowstorm and it'd be turning cold and windy for this weekend. You know, that classic melting and then that wicked cold Arctic air. That's not the case. It's going to be only marginally cold, but cold enough for mountain ops to get back on the mountains here on our starting late Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We'll be making snow and grooming it out. And then now we're into the first week of January, which is typical, just very cold. It's not going to be that way. Let's go to the real big picture. Where is the cold pattern? Right in the middle of the nation there. That's that old upper level low with its blob of cold where we had 15 inches of snow from Nebraska into Colorado. And that cold just kind of lifts through here, and there's a little bit more cold coming in on the backside of that with our purple coming in here briefly Sunday into early Monday. Purple is the nice, real cold air, almost Arctic air. And then across south central Canada, here comes the yellow again. That is warmer air. This is the 850 millibar temperature. That's up around, I don't know, maybe 4,000 feet or so. And then it gets a little bit less cold here midweek. And now, I guess the best news is we're filling Canada with cold late next weekend to next weekend. But there are no snowstorms in sight. If we go to the lower 48, latest run of the Euro model, you can see this whole mess lifting out here. And then the snow showers coming in, and then looks like a system trying to miss us off to the south on Monday. And then over the middle of next week, it may actually be cold enough for snow in some southern states, middle of next week. And then that low takes a run at us about next Friday or Saturday. Again, with only marginal cold available, but then on the backside of that, it does look really cold. Now we're getting to about Sunday, January 7th. So mid-January, maybe we make a comeback. As for snowfall amounts over the next 10 days, here it is. I'll just show you the big picture because there's not a lot. You don't want to show close up when you're uncertain about the forecast. So looks like northern Wyoming, northern Idaho gets some, and then you get some falling. Is that right? Way down there in Louisiana? And up the spine of the Appalachians, parts of North Carolina and Tennessee may get more snow than parts of southern Maine and Massachusetts, and Vermont kind of right in there in the middle. About 5 inches of snow on average in our higher elevations over the next 10 days. So not the best news. I think I'll just let Nevada Alba close it out for you, and Ray at Pico today, where things are going to get better, and the Mountain Ops teams at Pico promises a machine snow storm coming in starting on Saturday and Sunday. So the groomer's going to be back at it. This too shall pass. Winter's got a long way to go. Looking to be optimistic. Hey, how about that maple sugar? Well, see ya on the slopes.
Yeah, it used to come.
As we see here, it's raining, and it's really warm, and there's no snow. Middle of winter, guys.
Yes. Tell me about the day. What day is it today? So people know what day it is.
December 27th, 8th?
8th. December 28th. And where are we?
Pico Mountain.
Okay, well, looks like there's some serious fog there, TK.
East Coast Powder Day.
East Coast Powder Day. Are you going to train today?
Yeah.
Are you guys doing gates? Not here, I think.
Yeah, we're doing it in Killington.
Okay, what slope is that, by the way?
B slope.
B slope over there.
Yep.
All right,
Yep.
so it's still here. It's before 8 o'clock in the morning, or is it by 8 o'clock in the morning?
It's like 8:40.
8:40. Lifts are just open. You can see no one's on them yet.
There's one person on the Golden.
One person on the Golden. All right. Good morning, Pico and ski community. Things snow, hopefully Saturday. Things change. Supposedly it's snowing atop of there. I don't know.
I don't believe that.
Okay. Ciao, ciao.